For number 54, we have that formula, and because it's clearly not something we're supposed to know going into the test, we kind of have to assume that that formula is the thing that's going to be used, and that's why they're giving us that information. So one thing I would note is it's the formula for the sign of something. And so it's very unlikely that the answer is going to be about a cosine of something. And so then in the answer choices, we can see there's multiples, but there's either sine of 2x or sine of 4x, and then it's sine of 2x again. So let's just see what happens if we do a formula for sine of 2x, which we could write as the sine of x plus x. Again, because they're giving that formula, I know that that's the formula that's going to be involved in the question. That's why they're giving it to me. So basically, that's going to be x and that's going to be x. So all of these are going to be x's. So we'd get sine x cos x plus cos x sine x. Those are obviously the same thing. So that would equal 2 sine x cos x, which is that. And so again, that's just from saying, first of all, it's a formula for sine. So it's probably not going to be a cosine answer. And then, all right, we've got sine of 2x twice. So let's do a formula for sine of 2x and see if that relates to the answer. Okay, they're looking for 4 sine x cosine x. I have 2 sine x cosine x. And so I'll just multiply both sides by 2. And we get the thing that they're asking for. Incidentally, you could also, what other strategy you could use. I'll give you a second to make sure you think of it. And that is right. You can make up numbers because there's a bunch of variables in the answer choices, and you could do something easy like 30 degrees or 45 or 60 degrees. You'd plug it in your calculator anyway, but this would be the algebra way.